Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain bias versus variance. So first understand what is bias. Bias happens when your model is too simple to understand the actual problem of the data. It means the model makes very strong assumption about the data and oversimplify the problem. And because of this problem, the model fails to learn properly. And it misses some important relationship between input data and output data. So basically this model is not smart enough to capture real complexity of the data. Here is two types of bias, that is high bias and low bias. High bias means it happens when the model make wrong or very strong assumption about the data. It means the model is too simple to understand real problems in training data, and because of this training it cannot learn properly, and this leads to problem called underfitting. And low bias means the model is able to capture the hidden patterns in a training data. Now let's move to variance. Variance happens when the model becomes too complex. It means instead of learning the real patterns, the models try to learn every single details of the training data, even the noisy data. Noisy means the unnecessary details that are not actually the part of the real problem or pattern. Two types of variance, that is high variance and low variance. High variance means it happens when the model becomes too complex. So it does not only learn the real patterns in the data, it also learns the noisy. And because of this, the model perform very well on training data and the training accuracy become very high. So when the test is on new data, the performance become very poor, and this situation is called overfitting. And second is low variance. Low variance means the model is very stable. It means its prediction is do not change much even if we change the training data slightly, but sometimes if the model is too simple or very little data, then it cannot capture hidden patterns properly. So this can leads to underfitting.